The verb
Sfarfallare.
is the fusion of the prefix s, the noun
Farfalla.
meaning butterfly, and the verb ending
Are.
There are more meanings associated with this word than you might think, so let's take a look at them now.
Sfarfallare.
Let's begin with the most literal definition, which is to emerge from a pupal case or cocoon. Although it can be used for any insect, including butterflies and moths, it most often refers to the emergence of the domestic silk moth. Next up is the figurative definition, to flit about or to flutter. In the same way a butterfly flits from one flower to another to collect pollen, you can use this verb to describe A. Something that flies about in the same manner as a butterfly.
Gli aquiloni colorati sfarfallano nel cielo azzurro.
The colorful kites flutter about in the blue sky. Or B. An inconsistent and fickle person who continuously changes partners, houses, jobs, opinions, and so on. Used in this sense, it is often accompanied by the prepositions
Da.
meaning from and
A.
meaning to, as in the following example.
Quel farfallone continua a sfarfallare da una ragazza all'altra.
That playboy keeps flitting from one girl to another. Although uncommon, Italians also use this verb in a colloquial way to describe the act of making obvious and unacceptable grammatical errors when speaking or writing. When talking about fluorescent lamps, screens, and the like, you can use sfarfallare as a synonym for
Tremolare.
to flicker.
Perché lo schermo della TV sfarfalla così? Spero che non sia guasto.
Why is the TV screen flickering like that? I hope it's not broken.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.